Alice here from SAR Earthmoving, talking about our business with Hastings Deering and obviously the 259 D3 that we've just purchased as well. So the 259 D3 today is levelling off and tidying up after a pool dig, obviously with Fibreglass Pool Company. So the 259 D3 will tidy up the job and finish it all off so the customer has a decent job site once we have done our work. And also the 305.5 E2 on site, which is digging the pool for the Fibre-glass Pool Company. SAR Earthmoving, obviously you'll get us on 0438 184948. You'll also find us on Facebook. So we also do landscaping, turf prep, retaining walls, swimming pools, you name it. Call Stephen, he will help you out or come round and give you an on-site quote.